Best part about getting to film this Empties video is I can actually throw away these stuff because they've been sitting in my shelf for about a month now. Hey everyone, it's Eunice and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be talking about all my product empties for the first half of this year. So what I did is I just filled in this paper bag with all the products that I used up and, you know, products that are already starting to expire on me. And yeah, for today's video, I'm just going to talk about them, let you guys know if I'm going to repurchase them or if I'm replacing them with something else and what I thought about them when I was using it. So if you want to see what I got, no, not what I got. So if you want to see what I've used up and if I'm gonna get them again, just keep on watching. So first up is this Celeteque Hydration Facial Wash. So it has NMF, Natural Moisturizing Factor. I did not know that until this. This is actually my third bottle. Like third or fourth bottle. So this is actually my third or fourth bottle that I actually finished ever since I started using this, and I really love it. I always ask my friend to purchase it for me and then ask my sister to bring it here for me. Even when I was still in the Philippines, this was the facial wash that I was actually using because I do have dry, sensitive skin. So any facial wash that's too harsh on my skin, it will definitely dry it out and create dry patches all over my skin. I find that it doesn't hydrate it that much. I don't feel like any facial wash is super hydrating in itself, but you always need to like apply moisturizer after. But the good thing about this is it's really light and good for my sensitive skin. It's not too harsh, and whenever I use it on my face, I can definitely feel like my face is being cleaned, and every time after I use it, I always feel refreshed. So if you're asking me if I'm repurchasing this, I have two more backups in my beauty storage, whatever you want to call it, wherever I store my backup. I have two more and I have one that I'm currently using. So yes, I will definitely repurchase this if ever I actually run out. So the next item is also skincare. This is the Benefit Total Moisture Facial Cream. So as you can see, ubos talaga siya. Ubos, simut, sarap talaga. Clover chips ba ito? Hindi ko alam. But anyway, I super love this for the winter months, because on the winter months, super dry talaga ng skin ko. And this one is really thick, so it's really moisturizing for those months. But in the summertime, it's too thick na ang oily na ng face ko. And underneath my makeup, it's gonna look cakey. Yeah, it's gonna look cakey because this is got a really thick moisturizer. So I highly recommend, if you do use this and you have dry skin, use it in the winter months at night. Sometimes I do get away with using it in the daytime, pero I love using it at nighttime because I wake up with moisturized skin kasi nga super moisturizing siya. Will I repurchase this? I currently have the Clinique 72-hour Moisture Surge, which is more of a water-based, like medyo gel yung formula niya. So it's really perfect for underneath my makeup, and I do use it at night as well. But I really find that this is more effective as a nighttime moisturizer, like right before you sleep moisturizer. So I might repurchase this when the season transitions to fall. That's when I'm going to purchase this again. It's because since it's going to be a lot colder, my skin is going to be a lot drier. So at nighttime, definitely I will be using this. These are actually samples. So I have the Clinique Moisture Surge. So I do have the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour Auto Replenishing Hydrator. I finished like the tiny one. I used this when I was traveling. Tapos sobrang nagustuhan ko siya underneath my makeup and, you know, as a moisturizer in general. So I did purchase the full-size version after finishing the tiny one. And then I do have the Benefit Instant Comeback Serum. I really love this when I wasn't using my Drunk Elephant Serum Spa. I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna repurchase that. So if I do purchase the Drunk Elephant once I'm finished, then I'm not repurchasing this. But if I don't purchase the Drunk Elephant, since medyo mahal nga siya, but then the VIB sale is coming up. Ang dami ko sinasabi. Hinihingal ba ako medyo? But yeah, since the VIB sale is coming up, baka mag-Drunk Elephant ako. But if not, I'm definitely gonna get this. It really does help brighten up my skin whenever I use it at night. And then when I wake up and I look a lot brighter than I usually am. Next up is this eyes. Okay, it's potent eye cream, also from Benefit. So when I purchased this last year, it came with these two as a freebie lang. So nagamit ko siya in fairness. Yung eye cream hindi masyado kasi ang hirap kuhanin nung nasa ilalim since ang liit nung lalagyanan. But I really loved it. I really think that it works for my under eyes. It's just that when I purchased yung Clinique Moisture Surge ko na full size, I did get the It's All About Eyes then from Clinique, and I still have a lot of that. So I'm definitely not gonna repurchase this right now. But when I run out of that one, definitely going to get this Benefit eye cream because it really helped brighten my under eyes. Okay, last na to for mga skincare. So this is the Lancome by Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. It's just your normal eye makeup remover, nothing special. I feel like a lot of oil-based eye makeup removers, ganito naman yung nagagawa. Sobrang dali niyang matanggal. So it was actually free, so naubos ko siya. Will I repurchase it? Maybe not, kasi ang dami kong ibang eye makeup remover pa, and I don't really see the difference of this and your typical oil-based eye makeup remover. Nothing special. So next up is this L'Oreal Brow L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper. I really love this when I used it, and nag-dry out na lang siya ngayon. Actually, hindi. Gumagana pa na. Meron pa siyang onte, pero kadiri na. So, feeling ko, ubus na rin to. Will I repurchase it? It's not as long-lasting as the Anastasia brow gel, so I'm not entirely sure. Pero it's a good everyday brow gel na. So, it makes it, it's not really like gel na gel siya na parang pag sin-wipe mo, it's gonna stay like that. It's more of a plumper. So, literal brow stylist plumper. Plumper talaga siya. Nagmumukha lang. Parang na-help niya ma-volumize yung brows ko whenever I put it. So, it's not really like a gel na pag ginanon ko siya, it's gonna stay like that. It's more of like, when I use it for my brows, it makes it look more feathery. More sabog, if you know what I mean. Like a natural sabog na nice. So, not entirely sure if I'm gonna repurchase this because I like brow gels as a brow gel to keep my brows from moving. What else is in here? Oh, this one just dried up because nawala ko yung takip. So, this is the Heroine Mix Smooth Liquid Liner, which is waterproof. I really love this. The only problem that I had with this was super nipis nung tip niya. So, whenever I'd make a winged liner, literal, parang may line siyang ganun. Hindi siya nagwi-wing out. So, that's my only problem. But for my, like, my upper lash line, sobrang perfect niya kasi I have droopy eyes. Yung dito ko, yung tupe, medyo makapal siya. So, kailangan manipis talaga yung pagka-eyeline mo para makikita pa rin yung eyeshadow whenever you apply eyeliner. So, yeah, I will actually be repurchasing that. I've asked my friend who's going to Japan. Yes, friend talaga. I've asked my boyfriend to get it for me from Japan when he goes there. Kasi mas mura doon. Ayoko bumili sa Amazon. Kasi mas mahal siya ng mga 200 pesos. And savings pa rin yun. Pwede ko pa rin yun pambili ng ibang makeup. Bilis ko magsalta. Wait lang. Hinga muna. Okay. A lot of these products, like these two products, nag-expire na lang din siya. You guys know that I love my Benefit Kabrow, and I'm gonna show you guys. I've had this for more than a year, and medyo nagda-dry na kasi siya. So, I decided na it's time to let it go. Kasi meron naman akong ibang Kabrow dyan. At saka medyo mahirap na siya drag sa kilay eh. Parang nagiging, it takes up so much time for it to actually blend on my kilay. So, naisip ko, let's replace it na. So, I've talked about this a lot. Love this Benefit Kabrow. It's the best eyebrow product out there, honestly. So, will I repurchase this? I already have a new one in my vanity and I'm using that. So, another product that expired on me was this Essence I Love Stage Eyeshadow Base. Recently ko lang na-discover na yung meaning pala nun is the expiration date once you opened it. So, this one is 6 months. I've had this for more than a year now. And kaya pala siya parang sabi ko, bakit parang hindi na maganda yung kasi I really love this eyeshadow base. Kasi parang concealer yung itsura niya. So, it really creates a solid base na isang shade yung buong eyelid mo whenever you applied it. Tapos parang nagiging patchy na siya. Parang hindi ko ba talaga siya gusto? Ganyan ba talaga siya mag-work? Ayun pala, expired na. So, I have a new one in stock. I always keep backups of my favorite base makeup products. So, I have a new one in my vanity na, guys. And that's what I used today for my eyeshadow. But yeah, I really love it. I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. So, usually kasi yung eyeshadow primer, I swatched a couple of things a while ago. But yeah, usually yung eyeshadow primer, diba, parang when you blend it in, nagiging translucent siya. This one, parang siyang concealer, diba? Ganda. And it does keep my eyeshadow from smudging and being patchy. So, really love it. I have a new one. It's only $5. So, if you don't want to spend like $20 on the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, get that one. It's the best. The next 3 items are actually sponges that I got to get the use out of. Let's start with this Beauty Blender Pro. So they call this the Pro, but there's really no difference. It's just black. I don't know why. I really don't like it because when I was using this on my face, parang naghihimol-mol yung black niya sa face ko. And I've seen that happen a couple of times, so I'm definitely not gonna get the black one again. I have the original pink one na. That's what I'm using right now, and it's still amazing. I feel like yung coverage, it's just the same. So, nonsense lang yung mga colors na yan. Pang-pa-fun lang yan. And then the next one is this Real Technique sponge. Really love it for my everyday looks. It's not as full coverage as the Beauty Blender when it comes out to blending in the foundation. I'm not entirely sure if ganun din sa inyo, pero iba pa rin yung coverage na nabibigay ng Beauty Blender. So, I definitely use this for more of my everyday looks na medyo sheen lang siya, hindi sobrang full coverage, hindi masyadong madaming i-blend. Doon ko siya ginagamit. And I really like it because it's super cheap and affordable. $5 for that. Next one is this diamond sponge, also from Real Techniques. I know mukha lang siyang fun, diba? Kasi diamond, tapos marble pa yung print. But, ayan, nagre-rip na siya for me. A lot of these sponge, more than 6 months na saka. Mga 8 months yung life nila for me. Tapos, pinapalitan ko na kasi mas sanitary din eh. Anyway, this one, mukha lang siyang fun. At first, I was like, ano ba yan? Wala lang yan, pa-cute lang. Pero in reality pala, when I blend my foundation using this side, ang bilis kasi ang laki niya, ganon. Tapos, whenever it's like this area naman, the under eye, itong point, sobrang precise. Ang perfect niya. So, yun. So, that's why I repurchased it and I still use it and I love it. I don't care if it's like $10. I don't buy it from Ulta or like Walmart kasi mga $8 or $9 sila doon. Where I go is TJ Maxx or Marshalls. They have it on sale there for $5. So, that's where I got my spare. And that's actually all of my empties for this half of the year, and I'm actually excited to use up a lot of my makeup products because whenever I buy my makeup products, I'm like, am I gonna use this whole thing? And yes, I really do. I've hit a lot of pansa in a lot of my makeup products, so yay for that. And I just really feel good whenever I finish up a makeup product or a beauty or a skincare product because it means that I'm getting my money's worth because I actually use everything. So yeah, that's everything that I have for this video. And of course, I'll be putting links of the products that I mentioned down in the description bar if you want to see more makeup videos, beauty related stuff or skincare related stuff, and of course vlogs as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye! Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Parang robot si Eunice.